This is how Sealright uses a guillotine cutter. So we first cut a piece that to the exact length that we want, and then we put that in the guillotine cutter to set the length for the bulk cutting. So we do one first that's as accurate as we can, and now we use the guillotine cutter to cut it to multiple rings to the perfect length. You can set the skive cut base, and then it just cuts at the skive cut, the 45 degree, and you can do multiple rings very quickly and be able to sort of set those lengths using the stopper on the guillotine cutter. Now this guillotine cutter we have at our shop, this is the same one you get, but we made some modifications, specifically the spring return, because we're doing a bunch of these, thousands per week basically. So if you're interested in the guillotine cutter, contact us.